a bad case of diarrhea. I have a bad case of diarrhea.
This furnace used to be a Bryant 80 plus until it got replaced. As I remember, this door was propped open. Yeah, that's what it used to be until now. Now it got completely replaced again with the Carrier furnace, but it's Bryant. That is Carrier, this is Bryant. So yeah, I really like this furnace. My grandma has this model, but it's a Carrier. But yeah, this has the DC motor. The filter is huge. This furnace is huge. I have this furnace at my house. Oh, it turned off.